What's up, guys? It's Jacob with Colab. We're back inside Ryan's S15 looking at the trans tunnel that we've been making. So previously this was all solid. You couldn't get down in here to where you needed to. Alright, so we have done everything that we can with the aluminum on the shear, and we need a jigsaw to cut the rest of our template out so we can bend it up and start fitting it in the car. We don't have a jigsaw. So it's time to go to Home Depot and purchase a new jigsaw. Joe was like, get the Ryobi. I'm like, I'm not getting a Ryobi jigsaw. That's alright. I'm gonna go buy my DeWalt. It's gonna be great. Alright, well. Let's get it. Now we need some blades. Got the jigsaw. Got some ruffles, because I haven't eaten anything today. We got jigsaw blades. Went ahead and got some Diablo torch sawzall blades, because we always need those. And then a little treat. So previously this was all solid, you couldn't get down in here to where you needed to. So last time we saw this was all kind of one piece. I didn't take into account the pedal box, so we had to cut the nice one piece out, make this panel to make clearance for the pedals here. And basically, we kind of touched on this before, but we're making this whole panel removable so we can get to the transmission bolts to the bell housing, so that we can take the transmission out at the track real easy to do like clutch changes and anything like that could happen at the track, where previously you had to do it all from underneath the car. So this is going to be a huge advantage for us at the track and make it easier for us to work on.